Hi everyone, welcome to Southern Royalty, and today we're going to do a review with the Kaffe coffee grinder. I haven't even opened my coffee yet, but I'm excited to see how this does. Everything's been cleaned, so we don't have to worry. But I'm going to get my coffee beans out. Of course, I like that espresso. The reason I wanted to get a coffee grinder is because my espresso machine doesn't have that feature. So, we're going to try this Kaffe out and see how it works. All right. Be right back. Okay. So it tells us we can use approximately 2 tablespoons to grind. So it covers the blade. And with this little handy dandy, it's got a button that you push. As it grinds away. Just letting you see. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow. It totally ground it up. So let me get another spoon where I can show you. This might be a little bit too big for the spoon, but it's the one for my espresso. But I'm going to let you see how fine it grinds. Very impressed. No bean left. And it was very, very quick. But as soon as you let off the little button, it stops. Very, very impressed. It's the right kind of grind for it. And all I have to do is clean it out off when I opened it. So that's a pretty little neat grinder for what I'm needing it for. So I'll give a thumbs up for sure. Until next time, bye.